Good day subscriber, I'm Sean. Welcome to Fix My Home channel. Today I want to show you how you can replace your patio door handle. As you see, this patio door, it doesn't have a lock. I want to install one. You can lock. I'm gonna install a body separate from the Amazon. There's a patio door, and this is a cylinder. And this is the new handle I'm gonna put it. So as you see, you can punch this area. When you order the handle, make sure these two distance is the same as this two distance. So it should be the same. This kind of door handle is very interesting. So it's universal. You have a different hole for the different size. So normally you don't need to be worried. So what size is your door? But always match the handle with the handle. You have to put this lock here and so it's gonna be like this, but as you see, it's gonna be the distance. So I have to make the hole here, so to make this bigger. So we made the mark. So I'm gonna make the alright. We made the hole bigger. As you see, it's gonna fit right now. So I use the tool. I call them Christmas tree. It look like the Christmas tree, but it's perfect for this job. Right, I put the lock here. As you see, the lock here is the stick out. Let me if you can see. So I have to cut this here and even shorter, so we can lock this door on two sides. 1, 2, 3, 4 right here. So let's cut that and see. So I cut this all the way to the end. It was 5, and I cut this one too. It was I cut it a little shorter. So now it's a good fit in the door. So let's install it. There you go. I install it. So it has a little problem. So you have to make sure you foil around this before you put the cylinder. You foil around it.